All right, welcome back to PreCalculus. We are talking about systems of equations with nonlinear equations. So in this case, we have a parabola y equals x squared plus 7x minus 2. Glad I don't have to factor that. I don't think we can. And then we have a line y equals 7x minus 2. Okay, so wow, they didn't ask us to graph this forward. If I want to make a real quick sketch of this thing, 7x minus 2 is going to have positive slope, so it's going to look something like this. It's pretty steep. Okay, and then we have a parabola. It's going to be offset, but I'm not really sure which direction, but we'll put it over here. Okay, so we're going to have two solutions. Okay, it's possible to miss the parabola. It sure is. So if I started down here somewhere, could we go underneath the parabola? Yeah. So it's possible we have no solutions whatsoever. It's possible that the line touches it in exactly one place, and it's possible we get two solutions. We're going to have more than that? I don't think so. It's not going to happen. This parabola is not going to double back on itself. Okay, so just getting a quick little sketch for this. And again, they didn't give us the tools to graph it, so we're not going to worry about that. But if I was doing this for a calculus exam, I might try to graph this a little bit more carefully, graph this one, and know which 2 points, because again, it's very likely they could ask you, like, what's the area between the line and the parabola? Okay, it would be nice to know, like, where are those points of intersection? Okay, so how do we figure out the points of intersection? Well, we could either solve this by elimination or by substitution. Most of the time with nonlinear systems, you're going to solve by substitution. Okay, so here we go, and I've got my x squared. Let's see here. X squared plus 7x minus 2. We have this is equal to y. We also have y is equal to 7x plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So what we're going to have is x squared plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 7x minus 2. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and add 2 to both sides. Okay, that's easy. Let's go ahead and subtract 7x from both sides. Let's go ahead and subtract 7x from both sides. So we end up with, oh, look at that. X squared is equal to 0. So x would be 0. Okay, so y, it doesn't matter which point you put it back into. Okay, but y is going to be, it looks like -2. So it just touches the parabola in one spot, and that one spot is 0, -2. Okay, 0, -2 is where it touches both of them. So that's just going to be our solution. Okay, so that's a nice one. Thank you very much for only giving us one answer. We're going to have 0, -2. In this case, they wouldn't, if they find the area, it's like, well, the area at one point is 0. So that would be an easy calculus problem to work with. Okay, but that's all they want us to do. We'll go ahead and check and then move on to the next one. Okay, continue. So thanks for coming along, and I will see you in the next video.